Hi everyone. Step into the world of Thunderbike's craftsmanship with our latest showcase, El Patron. El Patron, an outstanding example of Chicano art. We're finishing off this year with a Gold Rush theme, and this Chicano is the pinnacle of that theme. The impressive Lowrider stands out with its bling-bling wheels and redesigned panniers, neither tacky nor over the top, but just right. It is noticeable that colored wheels were not uncommon in the past. This inspired us to try something unusual once again. The design of our Lowrider wheels seemed particularly suitable for the golden finish. With the 5 strong spokes, they fit the theme perfectly, and the wheel dimension of the 23-inch front wheel also emphasizes this look. The panniers are another highlight. It was important to us that they did not detract from the silhouette, but blended harmoniously into the motorcycle. After testing various panniers on the rear of the Heritage, Old Shovel panniers won the race. They served as a model for our new cases, without stealing the show from the Fender, the long exhaust with the fishtails or the entire motorcycle. We also adapted them so that the cases have the same position on both sides despite the pulley brake and belt. We have also included indicators and license plates. Our strut stripe indicators, which are mounted inconspicuously on the struts, are ideal for this purpose. For our Chicano fenders, we have developed a new license plate holder that carries the license plate without attracting attention. We held back on the golden highlights, but they still stand out. Lamp ring, ignition cover, air filter cover and screws, tappet cover, rocker cover, tappet cover, axle cover, fork screws, primary cover and even the running boards have been accentuated. The golden bolts in the black rim bowls are also a visual eye-catcher. The color concept in seductive Bordeaux with subtle black flames and shiny golden accents perfectly implements Chico's paint striping. Spirit leather is an indispensable part of this impressive project. The smooth, perforated leatherwork, the elegant design and the striking details of the embossing and the elegantly milled gold medallions on both straps are undoubtedly convincing. We mention that an air ride is installed at the front and rear, although it should be clear that no detail is missing on the El Patron, the boss among our Chicanos. And certainly not the show effect. Join us as we unveil the custom-built Thunderbike Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage 114. Witness the fusion of classic design and innovative customization in every curve and detail of this stunning ride. Don't miss the chance to experience the epitome of custom motorcycle artistry. Thanks for watching.